How to order checks on Chase mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to order checks on Chase mobile app, first of all make sure to download and install Chase mobile application from any Google Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. After that, launch Chase mobile application and make sure to log into your account. After that, you have to navigate to the menu and click on Things to Do button. You have to select the Order Checks option and provide your bank details and any additional customization information required. So, if you encounter any issues during the process, you can easily reach out to Chase customer support for assistance. So, you can simply go to the customer support assistance or the help center of Chase, where you can simply go through and sign in, and here you can easily fix different kinds of issues using different kinds of queries and different sections. So that is how we easily order checks on Chase mobile app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.